Bro, I'm geeked. Welcome back to the channel, to the EPZ channel. If you're here, welcome. If you're new, welcome even more. Hey man, you see the title. I got no idea what I'm doing. I got no idea what I'm doing at all. So, it should be fun, right? Right? CPU, RAM, motherboard, right there. So these these are going in here, in there. Matter of fact, let me get down here and show y'all. Case is a little dirty, but we're gonna do everything up the right way. That's what we got to take out. All this shit. I don't know what I'm doing. We gonna figure it out though. So since we're here, okay, fucking with the computer, I'm gonna show you guys. That's how slow this is. This is a whole gig. When I start rendering stuff like that, where it starts to just ramp up, and then this thing starts working real hard. You probably can't hear it, but the fan is going. The fans are loud and a whole bunch of shit. But as soon as this video is done rendering, we will take this apart. In the meantime, I'm gonna put all this stuff together. I don't know what I'm doing at all, so kind of just gonna jump in and figure it out as I go. Should be cool. Should be cool.
Long hair, light skin, buttercup. Made a nigga in this world, I would duck. Except the police, cause they get a nigga stuck. Real.
I don't know what I'm doing. The RAM goes there. CPU goes there. I'm about to just figure this out. I don't think I'm gonna record it though. I'm gonna record steps, but I'm not gonna record this whole thing because I need to focus and make sure I do this shit the right way, so I don't fuck anything up. Wish me luck. This shit right here, man. Like this shit looks like some robotic bullshit. I never thought in my goddamn life I'd be sitting here building a fucking PC. What am I doing, dude? Like what?
2 hours later.
CPU is in. CPU is in. I think that's the CPU. Yeah. That's in. Now I might have put the RAM in. I think the RAM goes right there. And then the graphics card goes like here somewhere. So I might have put the RAM in now. Let's do it. The CPU is in. The RAM goes in. Bruh. I don't know what time it is. I don't know when I started. But this is taking a lot longer than I thought. I could not get the CPU cooler screws on. So I had to just... It's 1 o'clock in the morning. I gotta be up in 5 hours. But I'm not done with this shit. Let me show you. So this is what we got so far. Those two. That one and that one. Couldn't get the bitches in. Took me like an hour. But I might have put the fans in. Dude, I'm fucking tired. I gotta wake up in the morning. But I'm getting this done right now. It's going in there tonight. I don't care. Shouldn't take me much longer. I got the hard part out the way.
Psych!
Haha! Yeah, you really thought you were about to get that shit done tonight, huh? Alright. I unplugged it. Now it's here. All this shit is ready to go. I don't know what I'm doing. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. I gotta be at work in 5 hours. But let's do this.
The next day.
All right. So I'm picking this back up the next day. I don't know what I'm doing still, but I'm not about to go all weekend with no computer. So this shit's gonna get done. I'm gonna show y'all where I'm at real quick, but to be honest, like I said, I'm about to shut the camera off and just get this shit knocked out. Cause this ain't what I do. I don't do PCs. Like this all this shit is foreign to me. Like I'm learning as I go, and I'm just trying to figure stuff out. Supposedly it's easy. I don't think it's easy. I spent 5 hours doing this shit last night. We'd be all right. I'm not tripping. I was like half asleep and stressed the fuck out last night, so I probably wasn't thinking straight. But come back with a level head, clear head, get this shit knocked out. Let's do it. I'm gonna show y'all where I left off. So that's the new motherboard right there. That is the old motherboard right there. Graphics card right there. Case. Okay. So the problem I'm running into right now is taking this out. And to take this out, I got to take this off. I don't know how this is supposed to come off. So I'm kind of just figuring it out as I go. But, you know, hopefully I can get this off. So, all right. So this shit, you got to apply on this shit with a screwdriver to get it out. But once I got it out, everything else is pretty, everything else is all right. I'm not even going to put fans up here. I'm just going to, they'll be all right. They will be all right. I'm not putting fans up there. Maybe I should, but I don't know. But yeah. So now I got to cut this little zip tie right here. You guys can't see it, but I got to cut this little zip tie. Get all these wires out the way, and then I can start putting my new shit in. Let's get it. Let's get it. Check me out. I gotta test this and make sure it actually works. Pray for me. But yeah, we done got it all in, man. Shall I try turning it on? I feel like this is not right. Before I put all this shit back on, I'm gonna try turning this shit on. Huh. It's on. Hey! Hold on. HDMI me. Oh. Moment of truth. This shit looks sweet in here. It's so quiet. Uh-oh, I got a red light. I think I did it all right. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know. This ain't working. Let's see. I don't know. Oh, it's on though. It's spinning. It's alive. So I had to come to Meyer to get cable, to get it's like a jack cable. I don't really know how to describe it, but I can't find it. I really can't find it. Should work, right?
Why you ain't keep me? You say that you need me. You been in my head. Need you in my bed. You been in my head. Calling you don't answer. Got me feeling dead. Body from the med. I need me a doctor. Send me in a surgeon. She gon' pull my heart out. She say I deserve it. Say I'll never learn. Nigga, wait your turn. I'ma get you burned. Bitch, you got the nerve. I smoke. Flooring the nose. Chrome hard tags. Walking out the stove. I'm spending money. I ain't going broke. Run it up together. I want you the most. I'ma keep my team up. Never leave my post.
Y'all make sure.
Oh shit! Almost fell.
Get 3 pieces of our
Feel me?
crispy, juicy signature chicken for just $5. How's that?
I got Fortnite over here on the Xbox.
Being strong is one thing, but staying strong, that's another story.
So honestly, the whole process was actually kind of smooth. As far as assembling it, I did run into that issue with the CPU cooler screws. Couldn't get them bitches on. You get one to catch, and then the other one is just all up in the air, and the other one wouldn't catch. So I damn near broke the motherboard trying to get them like pushed down. That's another story. This cable, I didn't know where it went. Shout out to Greg, man. Greg, if you're watching this, shout out to you. Because I had Greg on speed dial. He answered everything. I had a million questions, and he was writing me back as soon as I asked. Shout out to Greg, man. This cable, I didn't know where it went. Plugs into the side of the motherboard. These cables, I knew they went into the graphics card, but I had no idea which one went where. Either one of those 6-prong cables can plug in. Either one, doesn't matter. And then these cables, I just tucked them away. I didn't know where they went. Those plug into a hard drive. And then lastly, after everything was said and done, I got it on. And then the BIOS started giving me issues. Went into the BIOS, just hit save and exit, loaded the defaults and rebooted it. And it works fine. So, man, what a process. What a process. Wow. I'm giving myself a pat on the back right now, and y'all can't even see it. But shout out to me, baby.